Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. And today we are diving into the world of war and darkness by touching upon the Israel and Hamas war. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. It means the world to me. Okay, so the war started with a very famous name you may have heard, Adolf Hitler, a German who was a soldier in World War One. He, like many other Germans, was bitter against losing the war, especially because the German government had resigned and admitted to loss. The soldiers, including and persuaded by Adolf Hitler, were thinking that because of the Jews, a major population that lived in Germany, they had brought in a left sided government which was ready to throw in the towel. Now, when he came into power again, that's how World War II started, but that's a different topic altogether. He started committing mass genocide against Jews in Germany. Seeking asylum, the Jews which were surviving were now given a piece of land in West Asia. This land, now known as Israel, was given to the Jews as a country all for themselves. But a small problem arises. Israel was a sacred Muslim land. A few Muslims were living there, and Jerusalem, a very famous Muslim place, was located there. Now, the Muslims that were living there, they shifted to another country because Jews had occupied the country of Israel, and the piece of land which they had moved to was now known as Palestine. And a land under Lebanon and west of Israel, the Gaza Strip. They harbored hate for all the Israelis, and so did all Muslim pro countries surrounding them, like Iran, Lebanon, and many others. Well, the heat is so much that a month ago, an airport in Russia had been stormed by Muslims when a rumor was leaked that a plane from Israel was landing there. That land was infested by Muslims, and none of the people liked that. And they broke through they went past securities, like a riot and a protest, and started havoc at the airport. Now let's get back to the topic. This loathing and hatred is so much that in 1972, in the West Germany Olympics, and yes, that was a country back then, West Germany, East Germany, the, uh, that the Israeli football team was taken hostage by 8 Palestinians and later killed due to a misunderstanding. This explains the motives of the terror organization Hamas. They harbor hatred for Israelis and do their best to uh, cause grief or put a halt in their plans. Now, here's a map of Israel and the area surrounding them. And now we fast forward from 1972 to October 2023. Hamas and Israel went to war on 7th October, but it started with a sneak attack. Hamas launched rockets at Israel and attacked citizens and foreign nationals. 1,139 people were killed, out of which 815 were Israelis. 251 people were taken to hostage to Palestine. This attack, Hamas claimed, was a response to Israel for the blockade of Gaza, which came into action in 2007. The blockade of Gaza is a restriction of goods and movements which were imposed by Israel in June 2007. The purpose of this blockade was to stop smuggling of weapons into Gaza. Israel then invaded the Gaza Strip, uh, a strip under Lebanon, as shown in the map, from 7th to 27th October, along with one of the most destructive bombings of all military campaigns until now. One of the most famous stories regarding the bombing was the rocket which hit a maternity ward on October 17th. Israel even cut off the internet in the Gaza Strip from 120 watts to only 20. From 27th October to 24th November, Israel led a campaign with more than 1 lakh or 100,000 soldiers, all into the Gaza Strip. The war took cruise for a week, from 24th to 1st December, but resumed, with each side claiming that the other one was refusing to make amends. The war continued onwards, with thousands dying, and it took a very significant turn on 31st July 2024. Ismail Hani was assassinated by a bomb in Iran, where he was a chief guest. In the hotel where he was staying. In the hotel where he was staying that night, a bomb was placed. It is believed it was smuggled 4 months before the event. He, along with a few other citizens, died that day. His death was spread across social media in Muslim pro countries like Turkey, Pakistan, and many more. On those countries, he was celebrated as a guest, and he was in their hearts with honor. That was a blow to Hamas, and now Israel, which had made a pact to kill all the 8 Hamas leaders on October 7, 2023. One of them had been died, and in their minds, they were on a mission. 7 more to go. Since the start of the war, 41,546 Palestinians and 1,139 Israelis have confirmed to be killed. The number may be more. Right now, Hamas has over 100 hostages of Israel, including children and women. Now, viewers, war is a terrible thing. It brings bloodshed upon people who deserve none, upon great people, upon children, upon senior citizens. This war must stop. And please share this video in order to share the awareness of this war. Thank you for watching.